lock accounts to their current territory assignments using BoogieBoard. I'm looking at my enterprise account list here, and I've assigned certain accounts to territories. But when I'm doing that, if I'm doing a draft of territory designs, or if it's at the end of the year, I also need to understand which accounts cannot move from one territory to another. It's very important to limit change. One of the tools I have to do that is to lock accounts in place, and I can do that by a rule or a filter. For example, here I'm saying if it has a renewal in the next quarter, lock it in place. Now, I've already run this rule, so you can see all these pink locks. We'll tell BoogieBoard when you are designing territories, even if your algorithm wants to, do not move EMC away from Rip Hamilton. I took it off of this EMS assignment to LeBron James to show that you could also just pop this on manually, and you'll receive a prompt. Do you want to apply this to the whole account family, all parent and child, or just this one account? Now that's for when you're in draft mode in a design scenario. Often you will actually have a scenario writing to Salesforce on a nightly basis. So you can configure settings that might say, even if a change is made in Salesforce, to override that when using your locked components from BoogieBoard. This checks against accidental changes from very important account to territory relationships.